Hello guys, welcome back to Smart Tech Junction. Today in this video tutorial guys, I am going to show you how to convert your Airtel physical SIM to eSIM on your home without visiting any store. Okay, so this video is going to be very interesting. Watch this video till end very carefully. So let's get started. Make sure your iPhone support or Android phone support should eSIM. iPhone XR or above version of iPhone can support eSIM. Old iPhone does not support eSIM, that's why you need to confirm it before further step. Okay, your Airtel SIM is active on your phone, okay, and internet is in working condition. Now you need to open the App Store. If you are using Android phone, you need to open the Play Store, and here you need to search Airtel Thanks app and download and install this app. After download and install, now you need to open this app, okay, like this. Login with your registered mobile number here, and then scroll down. In the manage services option, tap on more, and here you can get one option, upgrade to eSIM. Just you need to select this option like this, okay, and here it will automatically sync your registered mobile number, as you can see guys. And then second option is very important, get eSIM for this device on another device. If you have insert your SIM card on another device, you need to select another device option from here. So I will select this device because the SIM is inserted in my this phone only. Now in here you need to enter 32 digit ED number. So where is 32 digit ED number? Try this method to find out your ED number on your iPhone. Okay, open your phone settings. In the phone settings, go to Journal, go to About, and here scroll down. Here you can get your phone's ED number. Tap and hold on it and copy this. Okay, so in case if you are using Android phone, you can try this method. Open your dial pad on your Android phone, and here you need to enter one number, *#06#. Then here you can get your ED number. Okay, simply copy it and you need to paste it here. Insert your OTP here and tap on proceed. While you proceed guys, after 10 to 15 minutes you will receive one physical call from your customer care support and confirm them to you want to convert your physical SIM to eSIM, and then they will generate one QR code here, and simply you need to scan that QR code. To scan that QR code, open your iPhone settings once again like this, go to mobile services, okay, like this. Scroll down and here you can get the option add to eSIM. Tap on it and here you can get the option use QR code. Just you need to scan that QR code from here, that's it. Okay, or you can enter your details manually also, which the customer care support will send you via SMS or email address. Okay, that's it. After following this method carefully, within 2 to 5 seconds your physical SIM should convert into eSIM without visiting a store. If this video helped you out, please subscribe to Smart Tech Junction for more useful content.